Today is officially day 2 of me in Punta Cana for my 21st birthday. 12/20. Y'all, I'm trying to wake up sassy and then not getting up. Getting up, y'all, but I'm Melanieraylyn and thank y'all for tuning in. If y'all are new here and haven't watched my last video, go tune into my last video and then come to this video because it's gonna be parts to this vlog, period. It's early for me, so don't mind me, don't mind nothing. It's 5:51 currently out here, so that means it's 4:51 in my city, in my state, bitch, in my country. I need to get up. I need to wake up. How you open this? Yo, they say you're not supposed to drink the water. So I'm not gonna drink the water. I had so much fun yesterday. Good morning, y'all. It's day 2 of me in Dominican Republic, Punta Cana, for my 21st birthday. So right now I'm getting ready, y'all, because we're going on excursions. We paid $99 for this excursion. So it's 6 different ones though, so it was worth it. 6 things for $99 plus you get food, period. But we're not supposed to drink the water, so we got a big old bottle of water. I'm about to brush my teeth. What they say?
Alright, they answer the door. I know they kids. This got to come out of my head, Fed.
I can't believe this. I feel like I am homeless.
What you mean homeless?
With this mouthwash. I mean, with this water.
What that wine is? Mouthwash. You want to come to a country where you can't drink the water.
Y'all was able to drink the water in Jamaica, huh?
I ain't drink the water. I just used it to brush the teeth, but I was dehydrated out there. I didn't drink no water. I was drinking.
Drinking. Hold on. Alright, y'all. So, I'm about to go ATV riding. So, I'm wearing these flare leggings with the butt and camo bathing suit. Because it's not just ATV riding. And I have this big old bag to put everything I need in it. My goggles and stuff like that. And I'm going to put on this headband because it's going to be muddy. And I don't want my lace to get messed up. With this camo top. And I bought a cover up just in case. But it's underneath. Let me show y'all my shoes. And I have these pink water shoes, y'all. So I'm about to get ready and then finish up my hair. And we're going to head down for breakfast. It is currently 6:28. I don't know what Nene and Sassy doing. Because I told them knock on the door. I think I'm going to put on a little concealer and blush only. Because we're going to be sweating. So it don't really make sense to do no full beat. But I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we made it downstairs to the buffet area. Say hola! Y'all, I had to run all the way back because I left my freaking, well, my battery camera was died. My battery camera died, y'all, and I needed some content. I need the content for today. So now I'm rushing because the excursion bus about to leave in probably, let me check, I don't even know. I know my family not gonna let them leave me, but still, it's just the point. 5 minutes, y'all, BRB. Y'all, we still on the freaking bus. It's 9:30. Our reservation was for 9, so I don't know what's going on, but we had left the resort late. And this is the view. I don't know where we're going, but I'm tired. I'm tired. Oh, I took my nap. I'm just ready to do the excursion. I know. Y'all, we doing horseback riding, ziplining, chairlift, ATV. And then I think it's something with some animals, but I don't know what type of animals. Because they didn't really say. It was just like farmers. So I'm guessing like cows. Huh? Hey, mommy. Look at Sassy. Punked out. This city is hot. But y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all up when we get there. I was just trying to get y'all a quick update. Made it here. I don't know where to go. We're here. Y'all, oh my freaking gosh, it keep freaking raining. Hold on. Y'all dirty. It keep raining, y'all. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Flats from never move during time, please.
Hi, baby.
What's down with that?
Okay.
We finally made it on the Jeep to bring us to the excursion.
Get this shit with me.
Look at this baby.
Let me pick him up.
We wine tasting. Hi, twin, baby me. Hi, baby me. What's that, bro? Damn, twin. Yo, it's so hot. All we did was pet the freaking animals.
We only at the safari right now.
Bro, it's just time for us to wrap this shit up. I want to do the real excursion.
Zipline.
Yo, we hot. Look at him. Look at my twin. I don't got nothing for you, 20.
20. He like me, y'all.
Alright, y'all, we about to get ready to chairlift and zipline, but you can't bring your phones. You can't bring your phones or your cameras. You can bring it on a chairlift, but on a zipline you can't, which is shitty. But we getting ready.
We gotta do ATV.
Yo, it's just hot. They said that this takes 6 hours, and we've been out here for what?
Since 9:30.
9:30. We've been out here for 3 hours already, so we have 3 more hours, y'all. It's exhausting.
We have a good time to do.
Yeah.
Still gonna be early when we get back to the resort.
Yeah. I'm ready. And it's raining, y'all. It's fucking raining on my
forest,
parade.
you guys.
Alright, y'all. Me and my mommy finna zip line. I'm in a buggy. Well, no, we getting on a chair ride. I don't know why I said zip line. We zip lining next. My mama not doing it. Yeah, it's loud though, y'all. Mama, you got me on here by myself. Oh my fucking god. I'm on here by myself. Oh my gosh, I'm about to fucking pee on myself. Yo, I'm so scared right now. Yo, I don't think I want to zip line. I'm scared. Like, I just feel like I can't handle it. What y'all think? I'm gonna just talk to y'all. It feel like I could fucking fall off this. Ooh. When I tell y'all, I don't recommend. Why you do that?
What?
Why you doing that?
Hitting coughs.
Huh?
Hitting coughs.
Oh, you're exercising, huh?
It's boring.
It's boring. Alright, y'all. I think I got it. I'll hit y'all up when I'm scared again. Y'all, so I couldn't do the zip line. My nerves just too bad. So me and my mama, we went back on the chairlift and we freaking stuck.
And we 200 feet in the air.
Look where they got us stuck at, dude. We literally stuck in the sky. My nerves so bad. Get me down. Mom. God. Winter. We stuck. Stop moving.
Come on, daughter.
You should have said this. Y'all, we on the 18. I know that already. Y'all say hey in the front. Say the other way. No. What call? Mommy.
On the tour, there are 3 aerial mountains. Downhill and uphill. When the horse is going down the hill, you put your legs in front and you go lean back. When the horse is going up the hill, lean forward. Lean back, going down, lean forward. The phone and cameras is not possible. You take a picture or make a video in this activity, all accident, perfect selfie. If you want, you can use your phone and camera and block it when you phone. But no on your phone. Remember, don't use your phone or your camera on your phone.
I don't have my phone. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna cheers. Cheers to being a Aries. What the heck? Still can see they did not create commandments. popping the hair. Mom, what you say?
What?
What you said today?
Don't worry about what the fuck I said.
What you said? It's not about to be cold.
Good morning, Barbs, y'all. So today is the next day. My camera was dead, y'all, so I could not bring my camera, but I did try to get some footage for y'all. But today is Monday, and we finna get ready to go to brunch, the beach, and then we got a pool party afterwards. Wearing like the little orange little set that I had. All right, Barbs, we're all dressed to go downstairs. Let me show y'all my fit. This is my outfit. Your girl is giving island girl today with the little neck piece to go. We about to head out. Y'all, I haven't tried nothing that I like so far except for the omelet. So that's what I'm going to get today. But overall, I love the resort. It's 10 out of 10. It's a party resort. I mean, like, I feel like if you're more luxury, if you're a more luxury girl, I mean, this is good for my first ever resort out of the country. You know what I mean? But next time I come, I definitely want to upgrade or just experience another Rio. Everybody say Rios are the worst. So if this is the worst, I want to see what's the fucking best because I like this resort. It's even 10 out of 10. The views is nice. The weather is 10 out of 10. The parties are 10 out of 10. The drinks are 10 out of 10. The only thing that's not 10 out of 10 is the food. The food is like a 4 out of 10. But I mean, that omelet I had was given 7 out of 10. So I guess it really just depends on what you get and when you eat and what you prefer, because my mom likes the food here. Like, she finds things that she eat. I just don't eat everything she eats. So the stuff that I eat isn't given. Like, I had grilled fish, y'all. It was not seasoned. That's the thing. It's not nasty. It's just really bland, like no seasoning at all. But I'm gonna try something new today. And of course, me and my baby is matching. Period. Y'all, she got so drunk last night. She tired. Good morning. It's breakfast. Lost track of time, but we had a ball.
like at a resort. Alright y'all, so I'm about to end this video off right here. It is currently 11:47. It's March 31st, y'all, and y'all know I told y'all I was doing like a day-by-day vlog type of video. It's so hot. Y'all, I gotta show y'all me and Baby D pictures we took. I ain't show y'all no pictures, like, just check them out on my Instagram, but this one is taking it. Say hey! My mama way back though. Hey y'all, it is the boat party. The theme is cowboys. Let me show y'all a quick little fit. This is my fit: cowboy hat, belt, cowboy bikini, brown slippers, details. It's a, wait, hold on, let me let it focus. It's a cowboys and tequila. And then I have like this antique bracelet. But let's get going. Y'all, we left them because the boat come and pick up, well, the bus come and pick us up at freaking 1. It's 12:52. It take you 5 minutes to get downstairs. Girl, I don't have time. But of course, me and Boo is matching. Look, show them their hat, babe.
Cowboy tequila.
And your hat match my ring. Y'all, we had made a stop at the Plaza. I don't know what's the Plaza, but oh, look at the art.
It's a Plaza, like
Plaza mean mall. Coconut water. Look at this, D.
Let me hit it.
Keep it in your mouth. You feel it, huh?
No inhale, huh?
No inhale. Just
But inhale a little bit, that's no problem because this is really light.
y'all, we made it. I don't know where they bringing us to. I'm guessing a beach. Let me show y'all.
I got something especially.
Hey y'all, I don't know if y'all can see me because it's dark, but we made it on the boat. Let me show you.
Something special, just what my dreams are really made of. stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it.
Hey y'all, so we made it back on the resort and my hair is a mess, my fake makeup is a mess, bitch, everything is a freaking mess. But I just had to put on a headband and rush downstairs, y'all, because my mama made reservations for this restaurant because we've been eating at the buffet. But my mama made reservations for the restaurant and we were supposed to be there 10 minutes ago. She's there, no one else is there. So I just slipped on this little set that I wore to the airport and I'm walking. Y'all, but the boat was 10 out of 10. It started raining, everything, and I did get some footage, so y'all will be seeing that. Y'all already have seen that in the previous footage, y'all. But everything has been really fun out here, like, and everybody been talking bad about like the hotel and stuff on TikTok. But I'm gonna tell y'all what I think personally and honestly at the end of the video.